Okay, quick video. This is a suppressor, Griffin Armament taper mount style. The muzzle device it attached to got stuck in the suppressor. So you can purchase a actual like bar stock from the company and use a wrench around it. I wanted to save some money, so I tried something. And you're seeing it right there. There's about 1 inch to 9/10 of an inch from here to here that matches up with the grooves that are here and here. So what I did is I mounted the hexes first, and then I used these bolts to adjust for height. Then you just slip those nubs into the area, and it actually broke free. As you can see, it's starting to come out. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed. Thankfully, it wasn't in there real tight, but this might save someone some money. Just like that, if it comes. Hope this helps you.